common signs to detect mold in your home. It usually starts with a little cough and sneezing, but it's not your seasonal allergies. You get a little alarmed, wondering what the cause might be. Well, you are right to be alarmed because it might be mold. Mold in your home can go undetected, causing dangerous health issues for your children and pets. Without proper mold detection services, it is hard to detect mold or even determine its cause. DIY is never the solution when you suspect mold. Professionals will help you ensure that the problem is truly gone. Watch out for these signs of mold in your house. Paint bubbles. Mold growth requires moisture. Paint bubbles on your wall are one sure sign of water damage. It usually means that you have had some sort of flooding or water leakage around that area. Improper bathroom ventilation. Mold needs a certain level of humidity to grow. If your bathroom or other tight areas of your house like the closet have a bad ventilation system, you might have unwittingly started growing mold. Spongy floor. If your floor suddenly feels weird, like it is slippery or spongy, you might be dealing with mold growth. Musty smell. Mold has a nasty smell that is easy to recognize. You don't want this smell around you, your children, and your pets. Now, you know the signs to watch out for to detect mold in your home. The next step after discovering a sign of mold in your house is to find the best mold detector, an expert who knows what they are doing. Professionals can help you carry out a toxic mold test. This test would confirm the presence of mold. FDP Mold Remediation, your first defense against hidden mold dangers. Call us today.